Leabhrán dTuimitheoirí, nathanna beaga the rógaí beaga. Irish phrasebook for parents. Lena chi. Banachtaí, greetings. Dia dish, hello. Dia smurwit. Conas atantu, how are you? Conas tantu. Tom gama, gurv mahagat. I'm good, thank you. Conas vida law ar skull. How was your day at school? Tá sé das bula lat. It's nice to meet you. Slán go fóil. Bye for now. Cóghordicus. Congrats. Bíoch lá dasagat. Have a nice day. Lá bretha honadit. Happy birthday to you. Nullig honna. Happy Christmas. Armadin, in the morning. Díochuit Armadin, tá sé am éirí an ricfasta. An meg letagat, calóga arúr, nu tosta?
Big letagum.
Raimid go dtí an gistin mar sin.
Go húntach. Lehanach a cahar, ag léasa, getting dressed.
Cad a churthaigh tú airt Armadin? What will you wear today?
Curra me ganzi goramarum. I will wear my blue jumper.
Cé trouser a chur tú airt? What trousers will you put on?
Tasino in my trouser dov a chahav. I want to wear my black pants.
Agus cadiad na broga churthaigh tú airt? Cad a bearlat, broga raha na búta sí. And what shoes will you wear? What would you prefer, runners or boots?
Brogaraha, runners.
Call will siad? Where are they?
Tá siad sa hala. They are in the hall. Éadaí, clothes. Hata, hat. Ganzi, jumper. Bríste, trouser, trousers. Stucky, socks. Lena, t-shirt. Broga, shoes. Shakead, jacket. Ada Scoile, school uniform. Broga raha, runners. Skirta, skirt.
Lehanach a cuaig, scoil, at school. Ig fágan slán, saying goodbye. Slán go fóil, bíoch lá dasagat. Bye now, have a nice day. Bí go ma, be good. Be das, be nice. Dían de chuidibra, do your work. Híhig me ar bailhu, I'll see you soon. Ní vedavad, I won't be long. Ig balú and liniv, collecting the child. Ig kind leis an múntóir, talking to the teacher. Conna sa dair le enough. How did get on today?
Bhí sé anna bha, bhí lá maithagin. He was very good.
Conna sa tá gairí leis ar scoil. How is he getting on in school?
Tá gacrad go bra. Everything is grand. Tá cabhar ag tastáluig. He needs help.
Ig kind leis an rúnaí, as láthair. Speaking to the secretary, absent. Ní bheidh sé ar scoil enough. He won't be at school today. Tá sé brota. He is sick. Tá cuine ig enough. He has an appointment today. Bavalam bula leis an bríomhaide. I would like to meet with the principal.
Ag kind leis an lenav, talking to the child. Conas fi the law ar scoil. How was your day at school?
Bhí sé go maith, go hulk. It was good, bad.
Cad a horla. What happened? Cad a dhéana sin know. What did you do today? On Raush a gimmert am lón. Were you playing at lunchtime?
Dimrias cod, kishvel, cur, cluhi cloish. I played football, basketball, rounders, games in the yard.
On ihish alone, did you eat your lunch?
Lehanach a sé. Ivracha, numbers. A náid, a héan, a dó, a trí, a cahar, a cúig, a sé, a seacht, a hocht, a naoi, a de. Ceistena, Questions. Cé bhéad, an mó, how many? An mó méar a thágat. Duine a chomhdh. How many fingers do you have? Count them out. An mó súil a thágat. How many eyes do you have? Leathanach a seacht. Dathanna, colours. Gorum, blue. Glass, green. Bui, yellow. Darug, red. Dove, black. Down, brown. Oráiste, orange. Lia, grey. Corca, purple. Bán, white. Bán darug, pink. Mar shampla. Tá dá buí ar an rian. The sun is yellow. Céan dá atá an bhéir. What colour is the grass? Leathanach a hocht. Cruthanna, shapes. Cearcail, circle. Carnóg, square. Triantán, triangle. Drunalóg, rectangle. Lena, line. Réalt, star. Cree, heart. Diamond, diamond. Mar shampla, tá rian cearcailach. The sun is circular. Bíonn réaltas a spéir is slíthe. There are stars in the sky at night. Tá an leabhar drunalógach. The book is rectangular. Leathanach a naoi. Léitheanta na seachtaine. The days of the week. Dé luain, Monday. Dé mort, Tuesday. Dé céadaoin, Wednesday. Déirlín, Thursday. Dé híne, Friday. Dé saharan, Saturday. Dé downig, Sunday. Inné, yesterday. Inmh, today. Amárach, tomorrow. Mar shampla. Bíonn scoil agat ar an luan. You have school Monday. Beg lá saor agat dé mort. You'll be free on Tuesday. Bhí kosher againn ar an amhnach. We had a party on Sunday. Bíonn mommy ag obair dé céadaoin. Mommy is working on Wednesday. Bhí mar ag snámh inné. We were swimming yesterday. Ní léon round ceol inmh. There is no music class today. Beg scanán againn ihe dé saharan. We will have a movie night on Saturday. Leathanach a de. Mothúcháin, emotions. Tá áthas orm. I am happy. Tá brón orm. I am sorry. Táim se brónach. I am sad. Tá farag orm. I am mad. Táim nervíseach. I am nervous. Tá tuirse orm. I am tired. Tá agla orm. I am scared. Táim tucha. I'm wrecked. Nílim stúcha. I'm not starved. Táim bailethe. I'm fed up. Córa, idir an tuismitheoir agus an leanamh.
Conas a bhrahan tú inmh. How do you feel today?
Táim tréachta, sásta. I am tired, content.
Conas má leat a dhéanamh. What do you like doing?
Is málam a bheith gimmert le mo cháirde. Cuireann sé áthas orm. I like playing with my friends. It makes me happy.
Conna héamh gohfuil tú ag gol. Why are you crying?
Ní raibh mar cara daslam. My friend wasn't nice to me.
Like a héiniuag. An aimsir, the weather. An chrian, the sun. Tá an chrian ag tanamh. The sun is shining. An ghae, the wind. Tá sé goifir, It is windy. Báisteach, rain. Tá sé cur báistí. It is raining. Sneachta, snow. Tá sé cur sneachta. It is snowing. Cio, fog. Tá sé ceover. It is foggy. Fuair, cold. Tám fuair gan ma hacéad. I'm cold without my jacket. Tám leata. I'm frozen. Tám róthe. I'm too hot. Tám róthe oscail an inóg. I'm too hot. Open the window. Leathanach a dóigh, buil an chorp, parts of the body. An ceann, the head. An aig, the face. An túil, na súile, the eyes. An throne, the nose. An béal, the mouth. An smig, the chin. An chluas, na chluasa, the ears. An ghualainn, shoulder. An lámh, na lámha, hands. An bhéir, na méaranta, fingers. An chos, na cosa, legs. An bolog, the stomach. Na fiacla, the teeth. An tanga, the tongue. Samplí, samples. Bhí an hata ar do cheann. The hat was on your head. Dún de hula. Close your eyes. Tá mar rón ag sile. My nose is running. Bí míid ag éisteacht lena ar gluasa. We listen with our ears. Leathanach a tídeag. Anmhaithe, animals. An madra, the dog. An cot, the cat. An coppel, the horse. An tossel, the donkey. An locha, the duck. An bhó, the cow. An chuireadh, the sheep. An monkey, the monkey. An sicín, the chicken. An quinine, the rabbit. An giria, the hare. Samplí, samples. Cad é an tainmhí is fearr leat? What is your favourite animal? Cén anmhaithe atá ar an bhearm? What animals are on the farm?
Leathanach a ceathairdiag. Sa siopa, in the shop. Cad a bheith a gut? What will you have? Beg banne agam. Kenóid son. I'll have milk. I'll buy that. Cup of bhaile a chinach. What would you like to buy? A meg seach láid a gut. Will you have some chocolate? An bhfuil de chud airgid a gut. Do you have your money? Cé bhéad a chosníonn sé? How much does it cost? Tuair de chud airgid den siopadóir. Give the money to the shopkeeper. Leathanach a cuideag. The law leis an lenamh. Your day with the child. Dúisig ag a 7:00. Wake up at 7 o'clock. Airig ag a 8:00. Get up at 8 o'clock. Ag a 9:00 ar maidin, at 9 o'clock in the morning, eat the breakfast, eat your breakfast. Ólann suaráiste, drink the orange juice. Scoob the fiacla, brush your teeth. Chuirt the codédi, put on your clothes. Tíanam, tá sé now my macht. Come on, it's time to leave. Tuairdum the bhaile, give me your bag. An bhfuil sé gut, do you have it? Raimid go dtí an nianra, we'll go to the nianra. No, Jane son, tuairdum me. Don't do that, give it to me. Déan the íhil, do your best. Cíhead ní stéine tuachrí, I'll see you later, pet. Tíreach alliteration dinéir, go to sleep after dinner. Ia val gut a store, nighty night loveen. Anna vuchel, or dar, good man. Anna Chalín, sore van, good girl. Mahu, well done. Tanta good deal, you are excellent.